Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we are focusing on a highly specific and practical utility that bridges the gap between cloud administration and offensive security reconnaissance. We will be looking at CheckMDI, an efficient Python script created to enumerate valid Microsoft 365 domains, retrieve the underlying tenant name, and determine if an organization has an active Microsoft Defender for Identity instance running. Before we dive into the mechanics of this tool, it is absolutely essential to frame this discussion around ethical use. CheckMDI interacts with publicly accessible Microsoft endpoints to gather its information. It does not require authentication or bypass any access controls. However, just because an endpoint is public does not mean you have a free pass to probe any domain on the internet. As ethical hackers, security researchers, and systems administrators, we must operate strictly within the bounds of authorization. You should only point this tool at domains and tenants that you own, or where you have explicit, legally binding written permission to conduct security assessments. Using reconnaissance tools against unauthorized targets is unethical and potentially illegal. So why is a tool like CheckMDI valuable for authorized professionals? For blue teams and cloud architects, understanding your external footprint is the first step in defending it. You need to know what a sophisticated adversary can learn about your defensive stack before they even attempt to touch your network. For red teamers engaged in an authorized assessment, knowing that Microsoft Defender for Identity is present is a massive piece of intelligence. MDI analyzes on-premises Active Directory signals to detect advanced threats, compromised identities, and lateral movement. If you know the blue team is armed with MDI, it significantly alters your approach, forcing you to use much stealthier tactics. Now that we understand the strategic value and the strict ethical boundaries, let us move on to how we can acquire and set up this Python script on our local machine. To get started, we need to download the tool directly from its repository. Open up your terminal or command prompt. You're going to use the git clone command. Type git clone https://github.com/exploitable3/check_mdi.git and press enter. This command pulls the entire directory down to your system, giving you immediate access to the Python script. Once the directory is cloned, navigate into it. Because it is a Python tool, you'll need to have Python installed, and you might need to grab some basic libraries like requests, which are standard for these types of web enumeration scripts. The usage is incredibly simple and requires no complex configurations. You execute the script and pass your target domain using a specific flag. The syntax is simply .check_mdi.py-d followed by your target domain. The script takes that domain and begins querying Microsoft Federation and routing endpoints to extract the tenant details and the MDI status. Let us put this into practice and see what the execution and output look like against some real-world domains. We'll start with a standard testing domain to see the baseline behavior. In your terminal, type python3 check_mdi.py-d example.com and hit enter. The script immediately reaches out to the Microsoft infrastructure, checks if example.com is a valid Microsoft 365 domain, looks for the tenant name, and queries the specific endpoints associated with Defender for Identity. Almost instantly, the script finishes and returns the output. For this test, it clearly states that no MDI instance was found. Let us run another test, this time checking a domain associated with the security community. Type python3 check_mdi.py-d kali.org and hit enter. The tool processes the request, parsing the responses from the backend servers. Just like our first attempt, the terminal outputs the same conclusion: no MDI instance was found. Finally, let us point the script at a massive enterprise domain to see if a giant tech corporation yields a different public footprint. Type python3 check_mdi.py-d tesla.com. The script performs its rapid enumeration process, and once again, the output hits the screen showing no MDI instance was found. These 3 examples show exactly how the tool handles negative results. It is crucial to interpret this data correctly. A result stating no instance was found does not imply that these organizations have poor security or lack advanced threat detection. It simply means that this specific external, unauthenticated check for Microsoft Defender for Identity did not detect the required public indicators. These organizations might be utilizing completely different enterprise security solutions, or their internal architecture is configured in a way that prevents these specific details from leaking to the open internet. As a security professional, this tool provides a fast, lightweight method to rule out or confirm the presence of one specific piece of the Microsoft security ecosystem during your initial reconnaissance phase. Always remember the ethical guidelines we discussed and ensure you have authorization before performing any enumeration. That's going to wrap it up for this walkthrough. Thank you so much for watching and stay secure.